Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn sorting algorithms step by step. Begin by grasping the goal of sorting and common use cases, then learn notation like time and space complexity and why they matter. Next, study simple examples like bubble and insertion sort, then advance to merge and quicksort while tracing steps by hand. Finish by coding each algorithm and testing edge cases to solidify understanding and intuition. In this video, I will explain how to learn sorting algorithms step by step. Focus on time complexity and how it grows with input size, and memorize common notations like O, n log n, and O, n squared. Learn stability and how stable sorts preserve equal item order, plus space costs for in place versus extra memory. Use visualizations to see comparisons, then practice recognizing best fit for different data sets and constraints. In this video, I will explain how to learn sorting algorithms step by step. Quick recommendation: consider a compact smart speaker to play focus music while you practice and enjoy a little boost to your study setup. If this video helped, please subscribe and like to support more clear, friendly guides. Look in the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to learn sorting algorithms step by step. Make a practice schedule that alternates tracing by hand with coding implementations and timed exercises. Record common pitfalls like pivot choice in quicksort and merging order in mergesort. Benchmark your code on random and worst-case inputs, and review why one algorithm outperforms another in specific scenarios. Consistent, focused practice builds confidence and speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.